Do you want to make a sliding door that if you click the button then it opens and it makes like a little noise? Or if you want to make a keycard door, which you want to scan your keycard like that, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end and I'll show you how to do it. So first you're going to want to make your door, but I want to make it so that to go to the side. So I'm going to be making 2 doors. So you just make your door. It can be any colour or any size you want. I'm just going to make mine wooden. Then I'm going to name it door 1, and then I'm going to duplicate it and then name door 2, and I'm just going to do a frame around it. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on. So I'm just going to name this door 3. So now what you need to do is you need to select it and then group it and then just name it door, or you can name it whatever you want. So you can, if you want to add like a sound, like so when it opens it makes like a little sound, you can just add a normal sound in there and we'll script that in the code. Okay, so I made a door before and I found the sound ID, so I'll just copy that. It can be whatever sound you want, so I'm just pasting in the one that I had before, so it just sounds like this, just like that. So it sounds like the jailbreak door open sound. So now you want to make your button, so just make it any colour you want and then just put it on your door, anchor it, and you can just name this click part click part or something, or you can name it touch part if you want to make your key card. So now you just add turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Silly me. How did I not realise that? I don't know how I didn't realise that, but it should work now. Yes, perfect. Then 5 seconds, then it will close. Yep, perfect. So now, I'm going to show you how to make it work with keycards. So, you can just duplicate the script and name this keycard. And you can disable this one if you want. So now, down here, you just need to type hit in there as a parameter. Then script parent.touched, and you don't need mouse click, just get rid of that. Go and connect. But then we need to find if it's the keycard that touched it. So we type if hit dot parent dot name is equal to keycard, or the name, or just the name of the keycard. Then yes, just grab all this and then press tab, so then it indents it all. Then indent, then type end on the end there. So if I click play here, it will still have a click detector in it because I haven't removed the click detector. But if I put my keycard next to the button, then the door should open. Perfect. In 5 seconds it will close. Brilliant. Perfect. So you can enable both of these if you want. So let's name this click. So this script's for clicking and this script's for keycard. So you can have it both if you want. Yeah. So this is going to be it for today's tutorial. If you did enjoy and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so then you'll never miss out when I upload a new video. Also remember to comment video suggestions in the comment section below for a shout out on one of my videos. So this is going to be it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!